Okay, so this is the next video in our continuation of our AWS series. And in this video, we will see the next service, that is the SNS. SN is the simple notification services. So let's see. So is this SNS service, we generally use in day-to-day life as well. So the basic example is, okay, so first, what is NSS? The full form of NSS is simple notification services. So if you noticed in your email, maybe in your Gmail box or any Outlook box, you could see you get like a number of emails. Do you want to subscribe that email or do you want to unsubscribe that email? So if you subscribe that particular, then on the regular basis you get the particular email from the right particular emails. But if you unsubscribe that, then the email get like stopped. Similarly for the bank, so if you want some alerts from the bank, then you subscribe that alerts, right? And the bank send, whenever like bank like publish any message, you will get that as an email or maybe as an SMS alert, right? But if you unsubscribe that, like and then you stop getting the alerts. Like even in your mobile phone, if you go to the message, then sometimes you send some message like subscribe, then send that to particular number. It means you are subscribing to the particular alerts, right? So NSS is used only on that scenario. So that is the the functionality of the SNS which we use day to day life. So NSS is used when we want to send one message to many receivers. So if you notice, let's suppose like you have the account in your SBI bank, and SBI bank has increased the interest rate from 5% to 6%, and they want to notify to their customers, right? So whoever will subscribe, they will get either the email notification or they will get the SMS notification, right? So bank is not going to manually drop an email to all those people. So let's suppose if there are 100 people who subscribe as an SMS notification, and there are 500 people who subscribe as an email notification, so bank is not going to send the message to 100 people manually, or not going to draft an email to those 500 people. So what bank will do? Bank will just publish or send like its message to the an SNS topic, right? And then it's stored in the SNS, and whoever will be the subscriber will retrieve the message from the SNS. So basically any number of so if we want to send one message to many receivers, then we have to use the SNS. Okay, so basically if you go scroll down, so let's suppose if there is any service like service so maybe this is a bank. All right, so bank sends some alert to the SNS topic, and whoever will be the uh subscriber, so subscriber could be the email notification, fraud service, or SQS or SMS service. So all these receiver will receive the message. So basically we have to create one topic which will store the messages, and these are the subscribers. And we can unsubscribe that as well. Once we unsubscribe, then we will stop getting the messages. So first we have to check whether the SNS is free or not. So SNS is free. So if you go to the AWS free tier, sorry, and search here SNS. So SNS is a free tier, and it always free. And if you scroll down, so they said 1 million or publishers right, this HTTP deliveries, 1000 email deliveries. So we will use the email deliveries. So if you go to the console and search SNS, SNS is a simple notification services. All right. So it's the same thing, like the publisher will send the message to the SNS topic, and then any number of subscriber can receive that message. So if you go to the topics, so we have to create a topic. Similarly, like we have to create a QNA. So similarly, we have to create a topic. So there are two types of topic. One is the FIFA, one is the standard. So let's go with the standard. So give any name. So standard topic, and leave every other field as it is, and just create the topic. So now the topic has been created. but there are no subscriber, right? So doesn't matter whether I publish any message into the topic or not, because no one is a subscriber, so no one will receive the my particular message. So let's create a subscription. Subscription means like the email as a subscriber or SMS as a subscriber. So here are the different protocol like SQS, Lambda, email JSON, HTTPS, SMS. So let's choose the email. So we will see whether we are getting the email or not. So here we have to give the email. So there is a one like mailbox, mail letter. It's totally free. You don't need to even log in. You don't need even to sign up. It is a public inbox. So just like log in into the mail, I then later I later. Right, and enter public mail letter inbox. Just enter your name, any name or anything. So let's suppose I enter Sumanshu and go. So my like mailbox is open. I have not created any account, nothing. I just open this like URL and then enter Sumanshu in the into the search box. So right now we don't have any email. So what I will go, I will like type anything like Sumanshu, whatever is like the mailbox name. Mailbox name is Sumanshu. I mentioned Sumanshu, and at the rate maili nator.com. That's it. So you can mention your name at the rate mail.com, and whatever name you mention, you have to search here. So right now we don't have any. So whenever you subscribe that, so like whenever you subscribe, so you receive one email whether you want to subscribe. So a confirmation email. So if I create the subscription, so 1 second. So subscription has been created. If I go to the topics, so one subscription, once there is a one subscriber and subscriber is pending. So if I go to the mailbox, I see earlier we don't have any email. Now we have the email. So if I click on it, they said, do you want to like confirm your subscription? Do you want to receive the emails? So yes, I confirmed. So subscription confirmed. So let's go to the public email box. Now, whatever the message I will publish into the SNS topic, whoever will be the subscriber, whether it's an email subscriber, whether it is the SMS subscriber, all those person will automatically get the particular message. So let's publish some message. So message may be like a demo subject, and let's send some subject. Hi, this is my demo message. All right, and let me publish this as message. So I publish that message. So automatically whoever will be the subscriber will receive that the message. So let's check my mailbox. So if I go to the mailbox, so I see there is a second email which just received now, and this the subject is demo subject, and I could see the same thing. This is my demo subject, and we have the option to unsubscribe. So if sorry, if I click on click on this link unsubscribe, now the subscription has been removed. So if I click on it and if I refresh it, right, and if I scroll down here, I don't have any id is deleted. So now there is no subscribers. Now even if I get deleted manually, right, or even if like we can like subscribe it. So right now we don't have any even if now if I publish the message, so let's suppose second subject, this is second message, and if I publish the message, there is a subscriber, but that subscriber is unsubscribed, so the person should not get the email. So if I go to the okay, it's getting the email. I think maybe it will take some time to unsubscribe. Right now it is getting the email, but ideally it should not get the email because I have unsubscribed it, right? So whoever like unsubscribe, the person should not get the email like subscription removed. So if the subscription is removed, the person should not like okay, this is a confirmation email. Okay, earlier I think I did not get the confirmation email. So now let me retry again. uh, Let me retry again. Confirmation, let me try. Third subject, third message, checking anything, will cross verify. So publish. So if I go to the public email box, it's still getting the emails. Ideally, it should not get the email. Maybe like from this subscribe link, like it is not getting unsubscribed. So hopefully, like maybe we need to we have to delete from here. So it's already deleted. Not sure why. Maybe it took some time. I want to delete. Invalid parameter, subscription ARN must have at least 6 elements, not one. Okay. You cannot undo this action. Okay. Invalid parameter. Edit. Cannot retrieve subscription attributes. Not sure like what will happen. Maybe like we have unsubscribe from here, there, and rather than deleting from here, let me delete the topic. So if I delete the topic, delete me, and if I create again the standard one, my topic, and if I create the topic, and if I create the subscription again for the email, and create subscription, and so there's a pending subscription, but can request confirmation, confirm subscription, enter the subscription confirmation URL. Okay, I have not opened the Mailinator. Subscription confirmation, confirm subscription. Subscription has been confirmed. Okay, let's cross verify. Subscription has been confirmed. Let's try to delete from here. Okay, now it is deleted. So hopefully we will not get any email now. Earlier, maybe we have like unsubscribed from here, like we did not sure what will happen. If anyone know that can tell me. Demo message body, publish message. Now we don't get any email because there are no subscribers. So generally, like it is being used in day-to-day life. We get so many emails, like where we click okay, we want to subscribe the topic, we want to unsubscribe the topic. So as soon as we click on the subscribe, so basically the subscription is getting created. So a bank or any application has to send just only one message, and any number of like receivers can receive that message, but there is a limit. So we can see some few more points. So there could be like this number of subscribers per topic, and there can be like this number of topics you can create in one account. And along with that, if you click, if let me delete that, delete my topic, and it is free, so better just clean up the things after doing the testing. So if you create the topic, and if you see like till now we have created the standard. So if we create the FIFO, so again the same thing, the suffix should be FIFO. So my topic, and along with that, there the subscriber can only be the SQS. Here the subscriber could be the Lambda, HTTP, SMS, email, a mobile application, but here the subscriber can only be the SQS. So if I create the subscriber, so it could be see Amazon SQS. There are no other option like email. So in case of FIFO, there is only like one subscriber, that is SQS. So I go to the topic, I can delete that. So that's a very small video. So that's the end of the video. Thank you.